Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can check if your iPhone 14 was added to the IMEI.info lost database using the IMEI number. So first input dial this number on your phone, and this is the quickest way to access the IMEI number, or you can just do it in the About Phone section in your settings. And then enter the IMEI.info website and type in your IMEI number. Here you'll get some basic info about your phone, and here you in the basic checks, which are the free ones, you will be able to perform a lost device check. Here you'll be asked to provide an IMEI or the serial number, and just press check. And as you can see, this device was not reported in the IMEI.info website. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.